Exercise 5. Has, have. Fill in the blanks with has or have. I dash a cake. Has. You dash a doll. Have. Rani dash a kettle. Has. Raja dash a bag. Have. He dash a book. Has. She dash a rabbit. Have. Kumar dash a pig. Has. Sheila dash a bag. Have. In, on, under, over. The boy is in the car. The frog is on the log. The dog is under the cot. The saucer flying over the boys. Where is it? In, on, under, over. Where is the frog? The frog is in the water. Where is the bag? The bag is on the box. Where is the cat? The cat is under the chair. Where is the horse? The horse is jumping over the wall. What? In, on, under, over. What is jumping over the log?
Rabbit is jumping
Over the log. What is in the basket?
Fruits are in the basket.
What is standing under the tree?
Goat is standing under tree.
What is sitting on the mat?
Cat is sitting on the mat.
Yes, no. Are you a boy? Yes, I am a boy. Are you a boy? No, I am a girl. Is he eating? No, he is drinking. Are you painting? Yes, I am painting. Do monkeys have tail? Yes, monkeys have tail. Do snakes have legs? No, snakes do not have legs. Do lions eat grass? No, lions do not eat grass. Do cow gives us milk? Yes, cow gives us milk. Yes, it is. No, it is not. Raju, is this your bag? Yes, Rani, it is mine. Is it a guitar? No, it is not a guitar. It is a violin. Is it a black cat? No, it is not a black cat. It is a brown cat. Is it a pineapple? Yes, it is a pineapple. Is it a ball? No, it is not a ball. It is a hat.